I bet you didn't know that your sense of smell plays a huge role in how you taste food. The world of scents, an introduction to smell. Have you ever stopped to think about the invisible world of smells that surrounds us? It's a fascinating realm that we often overlook in our busy lives. It's a world teeming with information, shaping our experiences in ways we might not even realize. Every breath we take is filled with countless scent molecules, each carrying a story. From the enticing aroma of freshly baked bread, which can make our mouths water and our stomachs rumble, to the calming scent of lavender, known for its ability to soothe and relax our minds. Our sense of smell, or olfaction, plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It enriches our experiences and connects us to the world in profound ways. It's a world we often take for granted, yet it holds the power to evoke vivid memories, influence our emotions, and even guide our behavior. A single whiff can transport us back to a cherished moment or remind us of a loved one. Unlike sight or sound, which travel in waves, smell is a chemical sense. This means it relies on the interaction of molecules with our sensory receptors. It all starts with tiny molecules, invisible to the naked eye, floating in the air. These molecules are the building blocks of the sense we perceive. These odor molecules are released from various sources. A blooming flower which can fill a garden with its fragrance, a freshly brewed cup of coffee, invigorating our senses and preparing us for the day ahead, or even the rain-soaked earth, which brings a refreshing and earthy aroma that many find comforting. They are the messengers of the olfactory world, carrying with them a unique signature that our brains interpret as specific smells. Each molecule has a distinct shape and structure that fits into our olfactory receptors like a key into a lock. Our sense of smell is more sensitive than we might think. It can detect even the faintest traces of scent in the air. In fact, humans can distinguish between trillions of different smells. This incredible diversity allows us to experience the world in a rich and nuanced way. This remarkable ability is thanks to a complex and fascinating system that begins in our noses and extends into the depths of our brains. It's a sophisticated network that processes and interprets the chemical signals we encounter. It's a journey of transformation where tiny, invisible molecules are converted into electrical signals that our brains decode, allowing us to perceive and appreciate the vast and wonderful world of sense. This intricate process is a testament to the marvels of human biology and the richness of our sensory experiences. A journey through the nose from odor to signal. Imagine taking a deep breath and inhaling a bouquet of fragrant flowers. The scent is delightful, but have you ever wondered what happens next? What happens next is a remarkable journey of scent transformation, a process that turns simple odor molecules into signals our brain can understand. As you inhale, these odor molecules are swept into your nostrils, carried by the air we breathe. This is the first step in a complex and fascinating process. The journey continues as they travel through the nasal cavity, a pathway lined with a specialized mucous membrane called the olfactory epithelium. This membrane plays a crucial role in our sense of smell. Embedded within the olfactory epithelium are millions of olfactory receptor neurons, the gatekeepers of the olfactory system. These neurons are essential for detecting and identifying different smells. Each receptor neuron is like a lock waiting for the right key, or in this case, the right odor molecule to unlock it. This lock and key mechanism ensures that only specific smells are detected. When an odor molecule binds to its matching receptor, it triggers a series of events that generate an electrical signal. This signal is the beginning of how we perceive smells. Think of it like a chain reaction, where one event leads to another in a seamless flow. The binding of the odor molecule is like flipping a switch, activating the olfactory receptor neuron. This activation is crucial for the next steps in the process. This activation sends an electrical signal racing along the neuron's axon, a long, slender fiber that extends from the olfactory epithelium. The speed and efficiency of this signal transmission are remarkable. These axons, bundled together, form the olfactory nerve, which acts like a high-speed cable, transmitting the signals onwards to the brain. This is how the brain receives the information it needs to identify and interpret different smells. Our sense of smell is deeply connected to our emotions and memories, creating a unique and powerful bond. When we inhale a scent, it travels directly to the olfactory bulb, which is part of the brain's limbic system, the area responsible for processing emotions. This intricate system is responsible for our emotions and memories, linking them in a profound way. So it's no wonder that a particular smell can instantly transport us back to a specific moment in time, evoking powerful feelings and vivid recollections, making us relive those moments as if they just happened. The sense of smell has played a critical role in human evolution and survival. It helped our ancestors find food, detect danger, and choose suitable mates. Today, it continues to impact our well-being in profound and meaningful ways. Aromatherapy, for instance, harnesses the power of scents to promote relaxation, i.e., reduce stress and improve overall mood. So while our environment and technology have evolved significantly, the fundamental importance of smell remains unchanged and ever present.